Namaste everyone. Today we will talk about a number in numerology that depicts your attitude. It is also called as an achievement number or the sun number. It indicates how others perceive you, and so it also shows your first impression. If you are unhappy with how others perceive you, then knowing this number is all the more important so that you can take remedial measures and make the necessary changes. So let's first see how you can calculate your attitude number. Let's take the example of Steve Jobs. And Steve Jobs' birth date is 24th February 1955. Here we do not take the year, only the birth date and the birth month. So we take the digits of the birth date. Here it is 24. So we add the digits, which is 2 plus 4. And now we take the digits of the month. It is already a single digit, 2. And in the last step, we add the digits of the birth date and the birth month. So 6 plus 2 is the attitude number, which is 8. Let's take another example for a person born on 12th December 1997. And here the birth date is 12, so 1 plus 2 is 3. We take the birth month, which is again 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now we add the digits of the birth date and the birth month. 3 plus 3 is 6, which is the attitude number. And now let's understand the interpretation of each attitude number. If your attitude number is 1, then you give an impression of independence, of someone who is self-confident, self-motivated, and doesn't usually ask for help. On the flip side, you may tend to feel the need to be winner in any given situation, and if someone tries to be controlling and demanding with them, they're more likely to rebel and go the opposite way. If your attitude number is 2, then you are very easygoing and you get things accomplished through kindness, diplomacy, being accommodating and collaborative. You're naturally intuitive and relationships are of utmost importance to you. You're quite compassionate and you rarely get bored. On the flip side, you might take everything personally and be overly emotionally sensitive. People with attitude number 3 are dynamic, creative, charismatic, and socially active. They give an impression that they are an entertainer with a great sense of humor. Innately joyful, they have a happy effect on those around them. If they are feeling depressed or sad, then everyone feels the weight of their mood too. They carry a ripple effect. Friends are important to them, and they have a gift of inspiring and uplifting others. On the downside, they can opt for submerging their dreams for fear of being criticized or being under the weight of their emotions. People with attitude number 4 give an impression that they are dedicated, reliable, honest, and determined. In view of their grounded nature, they are prone to dislike to take any risk, and this can often make them seem to others being overly rigid and unable to live in the present moment. But in reality, this is not the case. A person with attitude number 4 is simply exhibiting worries for the welfare of those who love and care for them. They have a tendency to let inflexibility limit their success, and it is important for them to step outside of their own box. People with number 5, they give the impression that they are adventurous, fearless, creative, and move with progressiveness and change. They have a tendency to succeed when they do things in a larger-than-life way. They love being the center of attention. Change is their mantra, and freedom is their number 1 priority. They may swing between extremes, either too scattered or fearful and myopic. They tend to attract restrictive circumstances into their life in order to define their personal sense of freedom. Number 6 attitude is of a nurturer. They are conscientious, diligent, and service-oriented. They like to focus on home, beauty, family, and taking care of everything. A control freak at heart, they are awesome at damage control and emergency management, whether it is at a personal or a professional front. They are great with children, elderly, and animals. They tend to give an impression of healers and wish to take control of everything around them. Their magnetic personality will pull people towards them. On the flip side, their perfectionist tendencies have a dampening effect on their ability to be happy and accepting of themselves and others. Number 7 people give vibes of someone who is scientific, thoughtful, and an intuitive genius. They live life on a different wavelength than most. They can appear aloof and mysterious to others. They generally like studying, asking questions, and analyzing. Are the ultimate observers. They are at their best when they merge their refined scientific thought process with their intuition. There is ultimate wisdom in them to use and share with the rest of the world. On the flip side, they should be careful of their sharp tongue and sarcasm. People with number 8 attitude number exhibit an impression of being strong-willed, confident, and more powerful than most. Often blunt, opinionated, and controlling, they don't have time to waste it. Time is money, and both are precious to them. They value money for all it can do for them in this life. That is, it offers them stability, security, power, freedom, and respect. All of them are important to them, yet they will meet with challenges in life related to money and self-empowerment. They strive to be respected and are super resilient. They think big, positive, and have abundant dreams, and they like to go after them. On the flip side, they can have authority issues. They can have issues with letting go of the past, with difficult and challenging experiences from very early in life, and with getting beaten down by their own circumstances. People with attitude number 9 give an impression that they are gifted, intuitive, and natural teachers. They are compassionate leader, and they are at their highest best when they serve humanitarian purpose. They exuberate charisma and are an expert at fake it till you make it. If they operate from their heart, they'll never go wrong. They need to focus on living in the moment and letting go. They can be drained emotionally if they don't establish good boundaries with people because they care deeply about the woes of the world. Hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't watched the video on Low Shubrit, please do have a look. It's also an interesting one. Thank you. Bye bye.